the best thing about Christmas is Christmas spirit.
Spending time with the family.
When it's over.
Family.
Christmas markets. I like Christmas markets best.
Family and drinks.
Just having a good laugh and going to parties and that.
Being with the family, meeting the family.
Food. Christmas dinner.
Oh yes, definitely.
I will, yeah.
Are we coming to the Christmas lights? Yes!
That's a hard one. Probably the Justin Bieber Christmas album.
A sleigh ride by Brad Camper.
Probably going back Silent Night.
Silent Night.
Slade. It's Christmas.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Silent Night has to be. It's the original.
No, no, not a chance. I'm not singing in public, not a chance.
No, I don't like singing.
No.
Oh my god, I can't sing.
No.
Possibly not.
No.
Joy to the world, the Lord has come.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer had a very shiny nose. Is that alright? No, I'm not a very good singer.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. That's as much as I can remember.
Silent night, holy night, toys white, toys bright.
Rocking around the Christmas tree and everybody's having fun.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you very much.
Hang on, to record, I've got to speak to him.